Tiny is Titanic. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. I read about forensic evidence they found after they found the remains of the Titanic in the mid-1980s. Kaya pala inabot ng 70 years bago nahanap ang Titanic dahil ang barkong ito ay lumubog ng 4 kilometers below sea level. We just didn't have the technology to go down that deep in those days when the ship sank in 1912. Alam ng lahat na ang iceberg ang salarin sa paglubog ng tinaguriang unsinkable ship na ito. If you watch the movie Titanic, the ship broke into two before it sank into the sea. How can the iceberg cause that huge ship to get sliced in half when it didn't hit it that way? Nakakagulat ang nadiskubre ng mga scientists. They found that the rivets or metal pins that connected the steel parts of the ship were defective. Yung kinabit nila sa harap at likod ng Titanic ay hindi matibay because they used iron rivets that they hammered by hand instead of installing it by machines. They did this because they were under time pressure and the huge machines needed to install the steel rivets were too big to fit into the tight spaces of the ship. May isip mo ba na ang isang bagay na less than 4 inches ay magiging dahilan sa paglubog ng isang barkong kasing haba ng 3 eroplano at kasing taas ng 11-story building? Kaibigan, never underestimate the power of small because nothing is inconsequential. Small acts, a daily habit, a seemingly insignificant routine done every day can steer your life to something catastrophic or something great. Sabi ni Jesus, the kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed. Yet when it grows, it is the largest of garden plants and becomes a tree. Tayo magdasal. Lord, help me to be faithful to the little things and habits in my life that mold me to be more like you. Amen.